Here is Central Command. Governor Valcor is hiding on that planet.
Here, Captain Nova. Received.
Hello dreamers, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to talk about fake 3D. I've been trying to push it to a whole new level here on Dreams. Everything started from this small project that takes inspiration from something I saw recently, but I'm not naming name. Anyway, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and support the video. Thank you so much. There are many interesting things inside this short video, but what we are focusing on today is the dynamics with which I built the cockpit animation and the character inside. Everything you see on the screen is made entirely in rig, so no frame-by-frame animation. It all starts with this triangle. I duplicate it once and change its color, using simple drawings to help you understand and see better. On this triangle, I add a keyframe with the Distort tool. I take the top side of the shape and move it like this. In this way, I create a perspective of the cockpit. I go back to the green triangle and add a distortion keyframe corresponding to the purple shape. Now I can make the first animation by adding a keyframe on this shape later in the timeline. At this point I'm going to distort the shape, thus changing the viewing angle. First taking the sides to be more precise, then distorting the vertices a little to give a better perspective idea. Now I can also work on the purple triangle by modifying its shape, adding a keyframe obviously with the same timing. I take the vertices at the base and move, trying to be precise. Now I can move this one. Okay. I'm checking here. I don't want that black space between the two triangles. Now I'll do a test. Great. Now I duplicate the green layer again. This time with the HSB filter I make it white. It will be the cockpit glass. I move it above the other layers. I can now go and distort the triangle like this, so the vertices at the base of this triangle will have to be on the left side of the green shape. I practically gave the shape a spin. Now I'll fix this vertex and move the apex, joining it to the apex of the purple triangle. I just have to repeat the operation at the next keyframe for the animation to work. Then remove some opacity from the layer so that it really looks like glass. Let's go back to the terrain level, now that you understand how it works. I duplicate this white triangle again because I also want to create the glass on the right. I take the vertices and move them to the other side. Obviously I have to make sure that the apexes match perfectly. I think the distortion tool is one of the most important things here on Dreams. It allows us to create really cool things. What do you think? Now let's try to bring the vertices a little closer. Okay, I think it's good. And I think you can see the layer very well. This time I'm going to darken it completely. But now I need white again for the next animation. I will then work again on the HSB filter. I can now move the vertices again to make the shapes match. As we'll see, this layer will completely flip at a certain point in the animation. It will disappear from the screen, but don't worry, the glass above will tend to mask the defect. Ok, now I do a test. Do you see how it disappears? This is because the shape is practically inverted. Let's go back to the HSB filter. I add a keyframe here too, and at the beginning I go to darken again. This already makes the defect less evident. I can add the glass on top, and the animation, as you can see, is really cool. The other important challenge was adding the character and especially the animation that moves the viewing angle, which I will now explain to you with this doll. I move it above to insert it inside the cockpit. Let's try to darken it a little to see it better. Ok. I created an animation on the cockpit that changes the viewing angle. Well, we need to do the same thing for the character too, for the scene to work. First thing I do with the Move and Scale tool, I add keyframes to the wall character with the same timing as before. And at this keyframe I rotate the character, enlarge it a little and move it here for the moment. Now I have to move all the other elements of the body to put it in the correct position so that it doesn't look like a sticker. Of course, I will use the same timing as the other animations. Let's start, for example, from this arm and rotate it in the final keyframe. Like this. Same thing with the other arm. It works a little better, but there are still a few things to fix. For example, the body. But first I want to move the head down a little. Obviously, we always keep the keyframes with the same timing. At this point, move the head here. Ok, now the body looks like a flag. I think I have to do something. Here, for example, I can try to use the Distortion tool to modify the shape of the body in the right direction, but it's not a fixed rule. In my project, for example, I only tighten the shape a little on the x-axis. In this case, however, this animation works very well, but I also have to fix the position of the arms, moving this one here and the other arm here. I bring this track underneath. I want the arm to be behind the body. Ok. This is a very simplified version of the system that, when applied in the right way, makes a scene truly three-dimensional. Of course, it's not the only movement you can do, but you could also rotate the cockpit 360 degrees if you want. Try it yourself. In short, the underlying principle is very simple. It's up to you to understand how to exploit within your own scene. I had a lot of fun here because the drawing part is really simple and you quickly move on to the most interesting part, which is creating the animation. Well, dreamers, we have reached the end of another fantastic tutorial that I hope will be useful to you to better understand dreams and how to exploit its full potential. I want to come back to this project. Maybe I want to expand the idea a little, even if first I have to go back to Elon. But here I want to do something for the lip sync, since you have a brief mention of it on the character.
Here, Captain Nova. Received.
I remind you to write in the comments what you need and support the channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and